Today I will show you how I make a quick and easy spaghetti recipe with ham. The ham is slightly browned with a few simple spices, then mixed with the spaghetti and served with ketchup and grated Parmesan cheese. This is one of my favorite quick meals and I make it almost every month. At the end of the video I will show you 2 different ways to serve it. It's a simple meal that's ready in about 15 minutes and is perfect for lunch or dinner. Here are all the ingredients you will need for this recipe. You can pause the video if you'd like to read the list, and you'll also find the complete recipe in the video description. Even though I'm using a Tefal Cook4Me, this recipe should work in most electric pressure cookers with similar cooking times. Let's get started. I'll measure 300 milliliters of water. I'll pour the water into my electric kettle and bring it to a boil. Don't skip this step because it's very important. Put the salt into the pot of the multicooker. Now pour in the boiling water and stir until the salt has dissolved. Break the spaghetti in half, add it to the pot and stir it a little. Then quickly close the lid and pressure cook according to the package instructions. I love well-cooked spaghetti, so I cook mine for 8 minutes. I found that 6 minutes is enough for al dente spaghetti. When cooking pasta under pressure, the cooker may automatically release some excess pressure during cooking. This is perfectly normal. While the spaghetti is cooking, you can cut the ham into small cubes. I've already prepared mine. Once the spaghetti is ready, drain it in a strainer. Since we used a very small amount of water, you will notice that the spaghetti is slightly sticky. Put the pot back into the cooker and set it to the browning program. While the cooker heats up, continue draining the spaghetti. Shake it from time to time so all the excess water can evaporate. After the cooker heats up, add the oil, then add the ham and stir it for a few seconds. Brown the ham for a few minutes, stirring occasionally. Season it with black pepper and oregano. Turn off the cooker and let the remaining heat finish cooking everything. Return the cooked spaghetti to the pot. Mix everything together until the spaghetti is evenly coated with the oil and spices. Transfer the spaghetti to a serving plate. The first way to serve it is just like this. The ham is already salty and the spaghetti is very flavorful on its own. I like to serve mine with some ketchup and a little grated Parmesan cheese, but you can adjust the toppings to your own taste. Both versions have a completely different flavor and I honestly can't decide which one I like better. If you decide to make this recipe, I would love to hear how it turned out. Thanks for watching.